If your home or essential equipment like boats, cars, or snow machines was damaged by the recent storms or remnants of Typhoon Halong, help is available. The U.S. Small Business Administration is offering low-interest federal disaster loans for homeowners, renters, businesses, and nonprofits in affected regions, including the Lower Kuskokwim, Lower Yukon, and Northwest Arctic Borough. Homeowners and renters may qualify to repair or replace their residence or personal property. Businesses and nonprofits can also apply for physical damage loans, including loss of income. You can apply online at sba.gov/disaster or visit the SBA Disaster Loan Outreach Center at the University of Alaska Anchorage's SBDC in Anchorage for in-person assistance. Together, we rebuild stronger. Start your application today at sba.gov/disaster.